with another video. Today's video is a updated eyebrow routine. Okay, I normally don't do my eyebrows every day, but when I do, they be snatched. Just a warning, my eyebrows, everybody say my eyebrows are big. So if you got thick eyebrows, then this is for you, boo, because I got some thick eyebrows and I can't help it. Like I just decided to like embrace my thick eyebrows. It ain't extra thick how some people's can be, but it's thick and I kind of like it because it's kind of cute. Like, so every day you wake up you got eyebrows, because people with thin eyebrows, you wake up the wrong day and you ain't got no eyebrows, you gotta blend them out. But yeah, so let's get into this video. Okay, so to do my eyebrows, I just use a couple things. I use this Anastasia brow dip in the color Ebony. It look like this. Ooh. Can you see it? Yep, it look like that. And it's in the color Ebony. I know it takes turns between Ebony and chocolate, but like that eyebrow stuff lasts a long time. And then I got this Pacifica pineapple flower oil matte mist. I got it from Target. Yeah, and I like this because it stays all day, like literally all day, and I love it. So yeah, and then I just got a MAC 212 brush. I like it because of, you see that tip? Yeah. And then I got this brushy thingy jigger. It's called Lash and Brow, but I kind of use this for I use this for everything. Sometimes I use it to do my edges, which I ain't use it to do my edges, but sometimes I do. Like if I can't find my my edge brush, and sometimes I do it to do my eyebrows. Well, most of the time I usually use my eyebrows. And a foundation brush and a beauty blender. Okay, mindful. I need to wash my makeup brushes. Oh, one more thing, the most important part. And this brush from Wet n Wild. This is what I use to apply on the pomade. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing, routine. Give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys like it because I don't do my eyebrows every day, but when I do, baby, I slay. And so one last time, I just put a thing, well, some setting spray because like I just like for my eyebrows to stay, because I be at school with it, cheer with it, all that. So dang, my watch is buzzing. I be at school with it, yeah, and I cheer and all that. So I gotta make sure my eyebrows stay intact every time. So I hope you guys like this look. I just want to say, like, I got thick eyebrows, so therefore I'm not going to make small eyebrows. Like, if that makes sense, because like y'all, like, girls be slaying with their small eyebrows, but I'm pretty sure they have small eyebrows or no eyebrows at all. And I have thicker eyebrows, so I just like, I tried doing small eyebrows. It worked, but it's like too much work and it don't look natural on me. So I just want to say that because I know a lot of people, I see a lot of girls with thick eyebrows and they be like, oh, your eyebrows are thick. So I just want to say that. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank y'all. I hope to see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Add me on Snapchat, Deasia.Denise, and add me on Instagram, islandsgirl.d. And yeah, that's basically it. Let me know if y'all like more of these. Girl, I done perfected my makeup, so if y'all go back to like my first videos, it's a lot better. So like that, my makeup is a lot better. You can see my eyebrows look a lot better. So like, you grow over time, and I guess that's why I still keep them videos on my channel. But you just grow over time. So love y'all. See y'all later in my next video. Bye.